I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ruling out simple causes. Check both video and power connections at the monitor and PC. If a cable looks worn, swap it. Bad conductors cause half-dark panels. Once done, move to the power cycle. Turn off monitor and host. Unplug for 1 minute to clear rail voltages, then reconnect. Make sure input source matches the cable. Doing these steps now saves time because many half-black screens stem from loose connections, wrong input, or transient power states. Next, isolate where the problem lies. Swap to another display or connect your monitor to a different computer to see if the defect follows the screen. If the issue disappears, the GPU or driver is suspect. Boot into safe mode or use onboard video to rule out software. Once done, inspect resolution and refresh rate. Incorrect settings can render half the panel unusable. Make sure scaling and orientation are normal. These adjustments reveal whether software or hardware causes the half-black area. Finish by checking the monitor itself. Use the on-screen menu to run self-tests and view color bars. If the menu is half-black, the panel or T-con board is faulty. Once done, unplug and, if skilled, open the case to inspect ribbon cables, connectors, and for blown capacitors. Loose T-con ribbons often cause half-screen blacking. If you find physical damage or the issue persists, the sensible move is professional repair or panel replacement. If repair stalls, try reseating ribbons first. It fixes many cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.